A lot of programs out there are just designed to get your money with no results. Trust me, I've been through them, and $40,000 plus later, I can tell you this one I am talking about today is not one of those. Stick around to the end and I will show you exactly how to earn a nice payday from home in the next 7 days or less. Before I get into it, let me just give you a little bit of my backstory so you know where I'm coming from. Just a couple years ago, I was working my 9-to-5 job as a dental hygienist, and I just started getting sick of it. Sick of working for dentists that sucked and didn't appreciate me. Sick of waking up at 5 to 6 a.m. to an alarm clock just to drive for 30 minutes to a place I didn't want to be so that I could work for someone else's dream. Get told when to take a break, when to eat lunch, when to go home, and worst of all, how much my time is worth. Pro tip: your time is priceless. You can never get it back. No matter who you are, your hour is worth more than what you are getting paid for it right now. I guarantee it. Anyways, I started Googling ways to make money from home, and I went through a bunch of different webinars and courses and blew thousands and thousands of dollars on BS trainings and classes that were just there to take my money. I came across another one in my emails one day saying how my wife with zero experience makes $10,000 a month from home. And I was like, well, the last thing I tried didn't work. Let's just watch this webinar. I watched 4 hours of Netflix last night. I can watch this 1 hour webinar and just see what it's about. And I ended up going for it. Fast forward a few months and I get my first commission check. It's $498 and it went into my bank account while I was at my dental job. So I'm working at this job that I don't want to be at, where my 8-hour day is worth about $500. And I get this ding notification of a commission on my PayPal account and it's $498. And I'm like, I just made the same amount in 1 second while I was doing something else that I made in 8 hours. And that was it. I was hooked. So fast forward a few more months and I'm doing an interview with the creator of the webinar and of course Ron Douglas on his YouTube channel about how I'm his top affiliate. So when I tell you that anyone can do this, anyone can do this. You just need the right program and support. Okay, so what is it? Automated Profit Partners System, or APPS for short, is a high-ticket affiliate marketing training course and affiliate program. But it's also a ton more than that. Being a part of it gains you access to their exclusive high-ticket affiliate program. And I say exclusive not because it's clickbait, but because you can actually only gain access to it by going through the APPS program and being an APPS member. So you have to have the membership. They keep it this way so that it's a lot less competition for their members because they actually care about their members. So this affiliate program has 19 different high-ticket products that you earn from 40 to 50% commissions on, and each product is $500 to $2,000, which means your commissions are $200 to $1,000 every single time. So that in itself is already worth the price of this program to join, but you get a ton more than that, and you can make your money back in a single sale. The APPS program is also a private network of on-demand classes that are teaching you how to make passive income from home. So not only is it an exclusive affiliate membership program and a complete training course, but you have access to like 19 different on-demand classes that you can learn from at any time. Okay, so who was it created by and can you trust them? Like I said before, this program was created by Ron Douglas. He's a well-known online personality, entrepreneur, and mentor. He has thousands of successful students, a private Facebook group with over 10,000 members. He's a New York Times bestselling author. Yes, he's a legit dude that I personally trust and know. He turned his love for passive income into a thriving online empire. He is very down to earth and holds live webinars all the time with entrepreneurs, marketers, millionaires, as well as being a multimillionaire himself. So he's a legit dude. And as an APPS member, you have access to his live webinars and the replays every single week. So that is pretty priceless. So what's different about this from every other course or affiliate program? Where to begin? Let's start with the actual affiliate marketing course that you will learn how to build a passive income business from. Huge difference about this is that a lot of it is done for you. So you don't have to make your own website or create your own emails or funnels. All of those resources are already in the program for you to just use. And another huge difference is that it is extremely unsaturated. The membership keeps it that way. It weeds out lazy people and people that don't want to invest any money or time into anything that's worthwhile. Like people that just want something that's free or super cheap and makes them a bunch of money without having to do anything, like winning the lottery. those people are just going to saturate the market for the rest of us and make us look bad. So a perfect example of this is you can purchase training from Legendary Marketer and promote their products as an affiliate for like $7. I did that when I was first starting. Same with Wealthy Affiliate. So guess what? Everyone does that because it's super cheap and super easy, and you can't make money from those programs anymore because they're way too saturated, because they're super cheap and super easy. Apps is the opposite of that. So steer clear of those altogether. Apps is not like that, and if you want something that's just super cheap or free and super easy where you have nothing to do and no work, that doesn't exist. So that's a scam if that's what someone's telling you, but if that's what you want, this is not that. Okay, so how does apps work? It's really simple. You watch the webinar. If you're feeling it, you invest in the program, and then you have access to everything, including the training, all the products to promote right away. Ron shows you how to place a simple ad, which potential customers will click on. That takes them to a quiz page, which engages them and makes them interested in the product by asking them questions. And then the quiz takes them to the correct free on-demand class that is the best for them from their quiz answer. If they attend the on-demand class, you make a minimum of $50 per attendee, just for the people showing up to the class. It's pretty easy to get at least 10 attendees per webinar, which is a minimum of $500 in your pocket. Then if they purchase that class at the end, you also make 50% of the class, which is usually around another $500 to $1,000 per person. So potentially with a minimum of 10 attendees to one webinar, you could make $5,500 at the absolute minimum. So make a few sales per month and you are quitting your job in literally no time. A lot of people like to complicate this stuff on purpose because they want you to buy their programs and think that they're like giving you something super complicated and crazy, but this program really is just that easy. It's as simple as someone clicking your link to make a purchase after they attend the webinar, and ding, you get an email that looks like this. You've just earned a commission. And once you see that email one time and open it to see that you have just earned $500 while you were sitting on your porch drinking a beer, you're hooked. So the next time you go to work and realize it just took you 8 hours of your precious time and a bunch of people you don't like to earn that same amount of money, you will never want to go back. Okay, so what else is included in this program? I bought the program and went through it, so I can give you a nice little rundown of what's included, but you won't be able to find all this information anywhere else unless you watch the webinar. So click the link in the description if you want to just skip to that and watch the webinar right now. But you get access to a private network of proven online classes that pay you $500 to $1,000 a sale. You get access to private VIP customer success group where you can ask questions and get help from other students and mentors. You get a done-for-you Facebook remarketing ad system that they pay for. You get done-for-you reports and content you can give away to promote the free classes. You get done-for-you email follow-up campaigns so that your customers don't get away if they don't purchase it the first time. You get lifetime access to a landing page software platform and templates. You get a free one-on-one strategy session with the top coach, Antonio Thornton, which is amazing, so that he can help you to figure out what your plan is to make the most sales. And you get the exclusive affiliate program with 19 different classes for you to earn commissions from. So you can pick one to promote or all of them. Each one has a webinar that you can send people to, and as a member you get access to these high ticket products. They give you your affiliate link for each one, and when people click on your link, you get paid a commission. As I said before, it's really easy, and they are high quality products that Ron vets all himself. So not only are you making high commissions, like I said, anywhere from $500 to $1,000, but they are actually good products that you would want to buy yourself. Pro tip, don't ever sell or promote products that you wouldn't buy yourself. Okay, so who is this program good for? This is good for people who want an easy way to start an online business without having to be tech savvy. This is for people who want to work from home, for people that cherish their time and want to make money while they sleep so that they can live their life instead of just working it away. This is for people who don't have a ton of extra time to build their own products and their own website and their own team of people. This is for people who have tried affiliate marketing and aren't successful with it. This is for affiliate marketers who need a different and more high quality source of traffic and products. This is for beginner affiliate marketers that need all the pieces to build their business in one place. Okay, so who is this not good for? If you're the kind of person who just wants to make a ton of money without doing any work, this program is not for you. And I'll give you a hint, that doesn't exist unless you win the lottery. Passive income doesn't mean that you never do any work. It means that you do some work and then you keep getting paid even when you're not working. Okay, so what are the pros? A major one is that all of the classes that you have access to selling are high ticket. So they're all hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars in commissions. Another pro, they've all been vetted by Ron and his team, so they're all extremely good, high quality. Another is that the program is exclusive, so it's not oversaturated. And another is that Ron actually cares about your success. He actually showed his newbie wife how to do this, and he cares about you being successful at it too. Another one is there's a ton of done-for-you content. And a huge one is that you can get paid in 7 days from now in just 3 easy steps. And I'll tell them to you right now. Step 1, you select an on-demand class. Step 2, you get your affiliate link. And step 3, you copy your affiliate link and share it. Really as simple as that. Okay, so what are the cons? The only real con is that they're currently only accepting about 10 new partners who qualify, and they do have some qualifications. So to qualify, they say that you must be an action taker, not a complainer. You must be willing to use these powerful tactics ethically, so don't do shady stuff. You must be serious about earning extra income. You must be willing to stick with it and not quit on yourself, so don't get shiny object syndrome. And you must agree to give an honest review once you've made your first sale. Okay, so what is the cost of this program? So without my link, the regular cost for the program is an upfront fee of $2,497, which is a lot of money for some people, but it is still pretty reasonable for the amount of content you receive building a whole business in one place. To be honest, I've paid way more for programs than that were not as good. And then there's also, without my link, a monthly charge of $99 for access to the private webinar network of on-demand classes. And there is also, without my link, a $500 a month for the remarketing ad budget and management. With my link, if you watch the webinar, they will provide you with a coupon code at the end, which will waive the $99 a month. It will also waive the $500 a month, and it will knock off $1,500 off the regular price. So you can join the automated profit partner system for one payment of $997 or 2 payments of $500, which means you will only need 1 to 2 sales to make your money back. Plus, with my link, you will also get $800 in free ad credits. You're welcome. Plus, and this is nuts, but with my link, if you watch the webinar, at the end, you will also get a free additional access account, meaning you can do this with your husband, your wife, your kid, your friend, your coworker, a virtual assistant, and you can do it together and make even more money or split the cost, whatever you want to do, but it's buy one, get one for the account. There's also no upsells. Like, don't you hate it when you find a course, it's like, oh, it's $37, and then you buy it and they give you like a PDF, and then to actually get the course, you have to pay like $5,000. There's no upsells. That's what the price is. It's $997. And honestly, access to the exclusive affiliate program alone is worth the $997. You can make that back with a single sale. And these are all not hard products to sell, not hard classes to sell. In fact, I'm gonna give you some real student success numbers right now. Steve Rosenbaum, a retiree, has done $35,449 in paid out commissions. Lorette Little is doing this from another country, from the UK. She's done $10,891 in paid out commissions. Douglas Knoll, a retired attorney, in his first weekend did $1,964. Fred Lamb, whose English is his second language and he's still crushing it, he did $17,000 in 2 weeks. Okay, so those are real students, real names of real students who have done that real amount of money in commissions. Okay, so is there a guarantee? They guarantee that if you follow the steps, you will make your money back. And they also give you a 30-day money back guarantee. If you do follow the steps and you don't make your money back, 30 days later, you can ask for your money back. So my final thoughts, this is a legit business in a box, all in one place, not several memberships. They waive that with my link, no surprises. It's not full of fluff and hype. It's not scammy. They actually care about you. There's tons of proof of happy students who are successful at it, so it works. It's easy for beginners. You don't have to be tech savvy. You only have to pay once, and you have access to everything. Webinars, courses, replays, private group for life. You can do it from home in a couple hours per week. Nobody else are using these methods yet. It's not oversaturated. Okay, so my final verdict, obviously you know by now, I highly recommend this program. This is one of the best affiliate programs out there, one of the best trainings. Ron taught me, he taught his own wife, he taught his kids, and we're all making $10,000 plus online every month. So there's tons of successful students to prove this works. I'm one of them. And you can click the link in the description below to watch the free webinar and get my discount code at the end. You're welcome, and I hope you choose today to get free.